This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to C Programming lecture series. Today, we'd like to know about some programming related to files concept. Suppose if we consider any file named shyam.txt with read mode. R means read mode. I already explained you about read mode, write mode, and append mode. So we are now considering the file with read mode. Already this file having some information. Let us imagine this file is associated with some information. Now our aim is to find out the count of the number of characters, blanks, how many tab spaces, and the number of lines. That means 4 components I would like to calculate. So by that reason, uh, I have selected here 4 variables: NOL, NOT, NOB, and NOC. 4 variables. All the variables are initialized to 0 first in the very beginning. fopen, we all know what is fopen. Fopen is a command which is used to open a file. Let us assume there is a file shyam.txt, a read mode. The information is inside the file. The data type we are using is file, and the variable pointer variable is fp. So fp is equal to fopen of shyam.txt read mode. Here we are using while loop. While the condition and set of statements. That means the particular set of statements will be executed here from statement number 9 to the 18 will be executed until the statement inside the while will be true. What we have considered here, the statement inside the while is 1. 1 means always true. That means so while 1 will come inside, ch represents each and every character inside the text file. Inside the text file, ch represents each and every character. Character in the sense it may be a real character, or a blank, or a tab, or a line. Now, if ch each and every character, first we will load into the variable called ch. First it will be loaded to fp. From fp is equal to fopen shyam.txt read mode. F get c will take it into the ch. If ch is equal to end of file, eof means end of file. I told you already. End of file, then break. If it break, NOC plus plus. If ch is equal to space, NOB plus plus. If ch is equal to /n, NOL plus plus, number of lines. If ch is equal to /t, that means tab space not plus number of tabs. Understand? Very simple program. So the relevant section will be added to the respective respective variable, whatever we consider. After that, the good practice is whenever you have opened the file, that file should be closed. That means we open the file using file pointer fp. So file f close fp is the closing of the file, and the characters are number of characters are placed in NOC, number of blanks are in NOB, number of tabs are NOT, number of lines are NOL. Those will be printed for our reference from 21 to 24 line. So 25th is the close of the program. So this is all how we can count the characters, blanks, tabs, and lines in a given file. This will be a table which is used to differentiate between malloc and calloc. Both are for memory allocation, but what is the difference between those two? Actually, I explained already, but this will help you in the examination point of view. How can we difference between the malloc and kalloc functions? Malloc function takes only one argument. Here it will take two arguments. First one is memory allocation. Kalloc is from continuous allocation. Here from single block of memory. Here from multiple blocks of memory. These are the things we have already experienced. But here to understand how we can write in the examination point of view, this will help you. And come to another program. This program will help you how structures and files are related. How structures and files are related. Declare a structure, line number 1 to 5. This all we know, the declaration of a structure called EMP. Right? So, and in the main section, we'll consider that structure EMP. Here you see EMP. We'll create a variable for that here in a main section. And we'll create two files. Both files in create one file in a append mode, one file in a read mode. We'll consider name and age. Name will be stored in name data structure, character data structure. Age will be in a integer data structure. After that, we'll move those information into through using fscanner. So this will be continued up to FEOF. Here we need to know what is FEOF. FEOF means file end of file, the function. Previously, end of file is a one standard value. EOF, capital EOF, it denotes. Here, FEOF is a function, file end of file. So this program will help you to understand more about how structures and files are related.